So hi everyone, so today's our video is all about hair base shades and fashion shades. So what are fashion shades? Fashion shades are natural shades of our hair, or you can say base shades, depth, ICC numbering system, natural shade of our hair, all are same. So base shades are 1 to 10 and they are the natural shades of our hair. 1 number is the darkest shade of our hair and 10 number is the lightest shade of our hair. So 10 number is ultra blonde or lightest blonde. Some companies write ultra blonde and some companies write lightest blonde. 9 is extra light blonde or very light blonde. 8 is extra blonde. 7 is medium blonde. 6 is dark blonde. 5th is light brown. 4th is medium brown. 3 is dark brown. 2 is darkest brown or sometimes blue black, and 1 is black. So why I have written 10 to 1? So that in future you can understand lifting word and lightning word. L for lifting, L for lightning. As we go upwards, our shade of color get lighter and lighter. So 1 to 2 are the natural base shades of African hair, and 3 to 6 are the natural shade of Indian hairs, and 7 to 10 are the natural shades of European hair or British hairs. So these are the natural shades of our hair which give 100% gray coverage. But nowadays some of the fashion shade also give 100% gray coverage, and all color companies base shades are almost same. In some companies 2 number is missing, otherwise all are same. So how you have to remember these base shades? You just have to remember this 3 number and 6 number. 3 number is dark brown, 6 number is dark blonde. Then between them there is medium light, medium light. In this way you can easily learn the base shades. So now fashion shades. What are fashion shades? Which give extra effect to our hair. So fashion shade will give extra effect of extra reflection of some colors. So reflection, tone of hair and fashion shades are all same. As base shades are same for all color companies, but fashion shades are not same for all hair color companies. Like in Swisscom we write -123. In Swisscom we write -123. In Vela we write stock 123, and in L'Oreal we write 0.123, like that. As I told you, all color companies base shades are almost same, but fashion shades are not similar. Like you can see in this image, fashion shades of L'Oreal are different, fashion shades of Swisscom and Vela all are different. Like in L'Oreal 2 number is iridescent and Swisscom 2 number is ash and Vela 2 number is matte. So till now we know what are base shades and what are fashion shades in hair colors. Base shades which are natural shades of our hair, fashion shades which give extra effect to hair. So now we will do some exercise so that we should know which type of color reflection will color tube give. Suppose if you are buying some fashion shade color tube, we should know which type of reflection it will give. So let's start with one example. Suppose we have a fashion shade color tube 3-7. So what is 3? 3 is our base shade and -7 is our fashion shade. So -7 is our fashion shade and 3 is base shade, that is dark brown. 3 base shade is our dark brown, and -7 here we can see -7 is fashion shade, that is copper. So now we know this. If you have this color tube, fashion shade color tube 3-7, It means it has a reflection of copper. And some of the color tubes are having two shades of color reflection. Let's see with example 3-73. So suppose we have a color tube of 3-73. So how we can identify that in this color tube which type of color reflection it have? So as we know, 3 is our base shade, base color, that is dark brown, and dash 7 is, already we have discussed above, dash 7 is 7, that is copper reflect, and dash 3 is, you can see in this Swisscop fashion shade, dash 3 is matte. So in this fashion shade tube we have a copper and matte reflection. So it has a dark brown copper matte reflect. Just to explain you, I have taken this example, this tube example 3-73. Maybe this color tube is not available in market. So let's understand with some other example. Suppose we have dash 07. It will give very natural shade, very light shade. It will be not that much bright. So we will say it will be natural copper. Suppose we have dash 7, so it's a only copper. We will write it's only copper reflection, and we have, if you have a dash 07, that is natural copper reflection. And when we have a 77-77, it means we have a true copper reflection. So it is slightly more intense than previous two, dash 07 and dash 7. And next case we have dash 70. So this dash 07 will be the highest brightness and highest intense reflection, so it will give highest reflection. So we call it intense copper reflection. Maybe they will be with any base shades, like we can take like 4-07, and like we can say 3-7, or yeah, we can say 2-77, 8-70. So if 0 is before, it has a low intensity, and if 0 is after any fashion shade, it have a highest intensity of reflection. In this way, we can easily identify a reflection of any fashion color tubes. So let's take another example. Six dash 05. So 6 is our base shade, so 6 is our dark blonde, and dash 05 is, I already told you, whenever this 05 will come, it will be natural. So natural, and 5 is gold, natural gold reflection. So this color fashion shade color tube will be dark blonde, natural gold reflect. So its color tube reflection will be gold reflection, but it will be very natural. Take another example, that is 3-87. So 3 is our base shade, that is 3 is our dark brown, and dash 7 is copper, and -8 is red, so it will be copper red reflection. So this color tube having two reflection, that is red and copper. So this color fashion shade color tube having red and copper both reflection. So 3 is our base shade, and this dash 7 and 8 are our fashion shades. So base shade will be always single, base shade never be, and in any twice. Fashion shade, so what is the percentage of base shades and fashion shades? So suppose it's 3-7, so in 3.7 it has a 70% of base shades, that is 3 number, and 30% it has a reflection of this copper. So in every fashion color tube, 70% is base shades and 30% is fashion shades. So that's all about hair base shades and fashion shades colors, and next video I will discuss developer and their uses. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and